Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I have some crafts in the corner of my room that I've never gotten a chance to get to because I always say that I'm busy, but the only way I can get it done is putting on my camera and showing how I do it. In my last video, I brought you into my home and you could see that 90% of the artwork that we have is handmade by our kids. It's very sentimental, I love it, and the kids enjoy that we hung up their stuff. They're so proud, and we're gonna keep them for a long time. Today we're tackling a simple DIY using this box that I got this headset in. I love Hello Kitty and Sanrio characters, but I wanna keep the box without throwing it away. Artwork doesn't have to be expensive. Today I'm going to be doing artwork that's going to be inspired by this frame that I made using boxes and gifts that I got from YouTube and TikTok. I love content creation and just the little emblems makes me really happy, and it's really suiting in this office. So I did kind of like a collage to give the room a pop of color and something that's really suiting for this office. I want to place the characters in the middle frame of this, so it's not a very big space. I like having the white border around. There's basically two sides I can choose from, this one or this one. I think I'm gonna go with the front because the back has a bit of stickiness from the tape. Maybe I'll get another frame next time so I can do this one, but since I only have one frame, I'm gonna go with a nicer one. How do you take these things off? Does it have to stay? Oh yeah, there's a piece of plastic on top. So you just tear that off. And I think you have to do that with the other side too. So these things actually do come off. Clear now. What I'm gonna do is take the stencil and see where I wanna place it. Oh, it doesn't fit perfectly. Everything won't fit, but I definitely want Hello Kitty in the frame. It'll look nice with the clouds at the top. Or do I want Bad Mitz Maru? And then I'm gonna lose Hello Kitty. But I love Hello Kitty. So it's gonna have to be this way. Let me cut this open. I'm going to trace all around the outside of the white border and then cut it out. I'm putting some tape here to secure it into place. All done, and I think it looks really cute. Hello Kitty, my favorite over here. Melody, Keroppi, and I don't know the other character names. I think I'm going to get another frame so I can do the back side. Just the sticker is a little bit sticky, so I may try to rub it to see if it comes off. But even in a picture frame, this will look really cute in my room. So this is where I ended up putting the picture frame. It's kind of glaring, so you can't really see it much, but you'll see it in the playback, and it really suits me. It's a pop of color, my space. And I can't believe I made it out of a box that most people would throw away. But if you have a cool, interesting box, save it. You never know what kind of art you can do with it. Oh, and I wanted to show you what was in this space before. It's this picture frame that has me, that was in a news article, and my agent got it framed and gave it to me. I think it was really sweet of her. This used to be a room that I did a lot of acting work, and now it has become my content creation room. So this is gonna be in another part of my home. That's where my picture frame is. A shelf with plants and cute little trinkets. My son does his YouTube videos over here. He edits over here. So I want to make this side his side of the room. My side is everything else. My computer, my desk. On this side, it's pretty empty. I used to keep it for auditions. It was plain just to shoot auditions here. But since it's my content room now, what do you think I should put on this bare wall? Or should I keep it plain? Should I keep it plain to shoot some content videos here? Let me know in the comments. I think it's pretty dull and stark. Maybe some plants? Not too sure. If you want to see other DIYs, because I have a lot of stuff that's in the corner that I haven't gotten around to, but making these videos inspires me and encourages me to do the work that I haven't been doing. So let me know if you like this kind of video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.